Today's not one I've been looking forward to, but we're gonna castrate one of our new lambs. So a couple of weeks ago, Freckles, which is probably my favorite ewe, unexpectedly dropped a lamb, and it's a ram. So we had the vet out last week and was hoping that she could take care of it while she was here, but the peanuts weren't quite low enough yet for her to be able to do that. So she said give it another week or so. So we're gonna try. So 3 methods of castration that I'm aware of. One is surgical, obviously, where they go in there surgically and do it. 2 is they crush the cords. You get a crusher. That didn't sound appealing to me either. So the one we're going to do is a band method. So we take a banding tool, which I'll show you the tools that we're going to use. And basically it cuts off the blood supply, and in a couple weeks they fall off. At this age, from what I understand, it's a little bit uncomfortable for the first day or so, and that's about it. So we'll take you down. We'll try and wrangle the lamb. We'll see how this goes. I learned how to do it on YouTube, so first time for me. Thanks for tagging along. All right, so we're down here at the barn. Here's the tools we're going to use. This is the banding tool. Pretty simple. You just get a rubber band on there. It's not a rubber band, it's a special one. And you go like that, and then you put the nuggets through there, and bammo. So we'll show you that. So I got some extra bands. I also have a pair of dikes just in case something goes haywire and we have to cut it. And so our plan now is we're going to feed all the animals so that they're distracted. And then we're going to try and catch the little one, bring him inside the barn. We got a chair, and I'll hold him, and Chaz is going to do the dirty work. So here we go. All right, so this is Buster Brown. This is a lamb that was just born recently, and he's a pretty cute little sucker. What do you say? I'm not looking forward to this either. I don't think either one of us are. So we'll see. We're having trouble making sure his nuggets are there. But anyways, assuming we can find him, we're going to give it a shot. Yeah. All right, here goes nothing. We got a plan. So what we're going to try and do is get the nuggets out, get him in the rubber band, and let it go. Let's do it. Right. He's nice and calm, at least, which is good. You hear the pig squealing for him in the background. Make sure you don't get the teats in there.
There's no teats. Right, hang on. You gotta pull.
What do you expect, dude?
All right, take 2. That's all right, Chad. All right, here we go. Take 2. We'll try again. The first one, the thing squirmed. It scared us.
All right, make sure
all right.
Are there.
And make sure there's no teats in it.
Yeah, no.
You got to make sure that you can feel both the testicles.
No, just keep tucking back in.
You got to push on the abdomen a little bit, and then get your fingers in there and hold them up.
Okay, try it.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Good. Both them in there?
Yep. Oh, no, that's not that. It's gonna hurt my fingers.
Well, why were your fingers in there?
Why are my fingers in there?
Yeah, they're gonna
on the back.
You gotta go.
You look like it hurts.
Oh, because of
yes.
these.
Okay.
Are you sure you're doing it the right way?
Yeah, I would think so. Here, let me get it so it's like just barely on there. Okay.
All right, here we go. Take 4.
All right.
Wait until Mom says it's ready, and then you got to pull him through.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, hold still, Buster. Hold still, buddy. Hold still, Buster.
Buster's freaking out.
He's not either. He's Buster's really chill, actually.
He's chill.
Hi, Buster. Yeah, he's doing fine. He's doing fine.
I think they've retracted.
You got him right there.
Yeah, they're right there, yeah.
All right, we're gonna try this again. 3rd time's the charm.
Did I get your finger?
Here.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, you got both
Okay,
of them?
yep.
All right, I'm gonna start closing.
Okay, just make sure. Nope, he's good. Go ahead.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah. Nope. One slipped in. I think they need to be a little bigger.
All right, I think we're gonna abandon ship on this project. So there you go. Best laid plans. We're gonna try again. Worst case scenario, we'll call the vet. But for today, at least, Buster gets to remain intact. So we'll go put him back with the rest of them, and we'll try again in a couple days. And this is Buster. He's super chill, really cool, fun little ram. And for today, anyways, he gets to keep his manhood intact. He escaped the process today. All right, now watch this little sucker when I set him down. See if he can still run and jump. Huh? There you go. He's looking for mama. Well, obviously that didn't exactly go as planned, but hey, when I say homesteading unfiltered, that's really what it is. We didn't take any classes. I don't know where you can take a class that teaches you everything that you need to know. So we just cobble through it as best we can. I hope you had a good laugh. I had a laugh just watching it. What ended up happening is we had the vet out, and she did the same thing, a band castration, but she did it so fast. She literally just went out in the field, knocked it on its side, grabbed the leg, and it was done. I didn't even have time to film it. So that made me feel really dumb because obviously we don't have the touch. But that was our last ram, so we won't have to do that again until next year. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more nonsense like this, and we'll see you on the next one.